Hello and welcome to this episode of How To Tutorials by Levonotion Studios. My name is Lydia, and in this particular episode of How To, I'm going to show you how you can link multiple shape keys with one mesh. Let's get started. So I'm going to use AyMail for this video, and as you can see, let me hide the brick. So as you can see, AY multi-character generally was designed using lots and lots of shape keys, and imagine going through each object, the outfit, the beard, the wristwear, to start changing the value one after the other. That would be quite tedious. So what I did was, this AYM is actually a mesh, and most of the shape keys are linked to this particular mesh. So by moving the value of this AY mesh, it controls the outfit, the body, and other things. For instance, let me show you roundness. So let me delete this driver here. The driver connects this value to the options here. So let me delete it. So now if I move this, you see the character body changes, the character body, the wristwear, the beards, everything changes as I move this. So this is actually a mesh. This is a mesh. So to do this with your own mesh, all you need to do is just make sure you select the mesh, right click on it, and click on copy as new driver. By doing that, by copying it, you can then go to the other ones and paste. So for now, let me delete all the drivers. So delete, then I'm going to delete this too. Delete. So now they don't have any driver anymore. I've cleared everything. So let me type roundness. So now I want this body to control the roundness of the body for the outfit and everything. So I'll just right click, copy as new driver, select the outfits, paste driver, select the wristwear, let me delete, paste driver, select the beards, paste driver. So now if I select the body and I move it, you see it's moving the outfits, the wristwear, and the beard. So that's how you do it. It's quite simple, quite straightforward. But the other method, the other way to do it is by using code. And we have this add-on that I designed for doing this to make the workflow faster. Imagine doing copying and pasting for lots, because for AyMail we have over 500 meshes, and each mesh has lots of shape keys. Imagine just going through each and pasting. That's a lot of work. But if your project is very simple, just maybe 3 or 2 meshes, is quite easy. You can just do the copy and paste method. But if you have a lot of objects you want to do this for, you can use add-on. And we have this add-on, link shape keys, which is this. So let me show you. So this is the add-on on our website. Is at levonotion.com/product/link shape keys. So when you get this, you will have this add-on here. Like I used it to declare drivers from meshes. So you can select multiple meshes and just click on delete shape keys driver. It's going to delete any shape keys any drivers that you have on your shape keys. Then the other option is to link. So for instance, all the other objects is just the roundness that I linked. So to link all the other shape keys is easy. All you need to do, very important, is the naming. Naming has to be the same. For instance, let me clear this delete shape keys, delete. So for the cloths, if I click on slim and I rename it to, let's say, slim 2, okay, then now if I select all the outfits, the beards, the wristwear, then I select the mesh last, which I want the body to control all the shape keys. So I'm going to select that last, which means this one I select last is the active object. So it says link selected meshes to active. So I'll just click on link. So by doing that, if I select the out, you see everything is linked except for the slim O2, and that's because this body doesn't have slim O2. So to make sure this also connects, let me rename it back. I'll select the outfit, select the body, and then say link. So by doing that, it's linked. So with that, I can just easily do this, make it slimmer, increase the roundness of the body, and so on and so forth. The belly in, belly out, everything is working fine. So this our add-on makes it easy. If you want it, you can just go to our website and get it. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Levonotion Studios if you've not done so, and until next time, stay true to your creativity. Bye.